back to my channel, Jeoni's Kitchen. Today we are making Papparoti. I have been craving for this bread for so long. We've been eating this in Dubai. When we were in Dubai, almost like every week. Here are the ingredients, and you may find the exact measurement in the description below. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven and then make your yeast. Combine warm milk, sugar, and your yeast. Then leave for 5 to 10 minutes until ready. This is how it should look like. On your stand mixer, combine the flour, salt, egg, and butter. Also add in your yeast mixture. Knead this to medium-high speed for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the dough is not sticking in the bowl. Once the dough is ready, let it rest for 1 to 1.5 hours. I wasn't able to show it here on video. My phone battery died on me. After resting for 1 to 1.5 hours, we are ready to form 10 balls. I'm just eyeballing it here. Feel free to use a weighing scale to get the same sizes. Form the dough into a ball, then press flatten the sides, and then put a 10-gram cube of a cold butter in the middle, and then close it. Repeat same procedure with the rest of the dough. Once you're done to form all your dough, you're ready for the second proofing. Let the dough rest for another 45 minutes. While your dough is resting, we can now prepare the topping. The topping is simple to make. Just combine all the ingredients, the butter, the sugar, the eggs, and then add the coffee, and then the flour. Just make sure you don't overwork the butter in order not to melt it. Your topping should look like this. Place your topping in a piping bag so it's easy to top it in your bun. If your topping is a bit runny, place it back in the refrigerator. We're ready to bake. And here's the final product. It's so satisfying to see the end result. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.